ChatGPT by OpenAI is a groundbreaking language model that is already revolutionizing the way that we use technology. And its impact has already been widespread and is already affecting our society in numerous ways. So in this video, I want to talk about the pros and the cons of this technology coming into fruition and actually being used by people today. So let's start with the pros. The advantages of ChatGPT are numerous. Its ability to understand and respond to human language in a natural way is a huge step forward in the field of AI technology. In the customer service industry, ChatGPT is enabling businesses to provide quick and accurate responses to their customers 24/7. This not only enhances the customer experience, but it also reduces the workload for human customer service agents. Education is also benefiting from ChatGPT with its vast knowledge base and ability to provide instant answers to questions. Students are now able to access information and learn in new, innovative ways. In the entertainment industry, ChatGPT is transforming the way content is being created. Its ability to generate creative content is allowing writers and creators to produce high-quality content faster than ever before. However, although ChatGPT is an incredible technology, there's some obvious downsides that we really need to take a look at. One of the biggest concerns is job displacement. As AI technology like ChatGPT becomes more advanced, there's a risk that it will replace human jobs in certain industries. This raises ethical questions and philosophical questions about the role of technology in society and its impact on employment. A great example of this is the other day I was scrolling through my phone and I saw a headline for an article that said ChatGPT just passed a Google software engineer test where the starting salary for that job was $183,000 a year. Yeah, that's kind of insane. That's a really high skilled job. So I can already assume that a lot of low-level software engineering jobs can easily be replaced already with today's technology. So where are we going to be, say like a year in the future or a decade in the future? And I'm sure software development is not the only thing that's in danger from this technology. It's kind of crazy to think about. So job displacement is a huge thing we need to be looking at when we're talking about technologies like ChatGPT. And again, we're just talking about ChatGPT right now. However, if you do want to think about like AI as a whole, I made a video about that. So if that topic kind of interests you, you can click this link right here. And yeah, it might be a fun watch for you guys. Another really interesting concern about ChatGPT in particular is how will it affect society's critical thinking skills at mass? Because like, I mean, if every kid can just hop on their phone and use ChatGPT for literally any question, no matter how deep it is, I imagine that could greatly hinder a person's critical thinking skills. And you already know kids are going to use this to cheat on exams and cheat on assignments. It's going to be rampant. And obviously there's going to be software that's going to be developed to like counteract this, but obviously kids are going to be able to use this and still get past all the barriers. So yeah, there's going to be some real concern there. Something that we really need to consider, that we may really be damaging our critical thinking skills at societal level with us all using this technology. Another thing we need to look at is people faking their expertise. Like now more so than ever, people are going to be able to fake all types of different professions. Like obviously a software engineer is one of them already. So yeah, people are going to be able to fake expertise like mad, especially in the coming decade. Like already people are going to be able to do that, but in the coming years, it's going to be insane. And yeah, I can see that being one of the biggest problems of this century. Kind of following that thought though, it's also like, does it really matter if people don't have expertise if they're using a tool that allows them to get the same job done? Like, does it matter at all that they actually don't really know what they're doing and they're just using a tool to do it? Like, I mean, they're still getting their job done, so why should we care? It's just kind of another little weird thought when thinking about how ChatGPT is going to be affecting us. Yeah. I mean, in the end, ChatGPT is just like any other technology. It's going to be revolutionary. And most of us have already experienced revolutionary changes through technology in our lifetimes. This isn't going to be anything too shocking for us, hopefully. Just everyone has to go with the flow and ride this wild wave of AI innovation that's going to be coming our way. Anyway, that's it for today's video. And if you guys did enjoy, if you guys please subscribe to the channel, I'd greatly appreciate it. I'm uploading videos just like this one every single Thursday. And yeah, I just want to leave you guys with one thought. How much of an impact do you think ChatGPT will have on our society in the coming decade? All right, that's it. See you guys later. Peace.